This is a simple Flask application with the login form. It uses SQLite and checks the username and password entered by the user. Let's look at what this code does. It basically starts an application with a server with a basic login form. When you enter credential, it will run a raw SQL query. This is the SQL query. Let's try running this. Python name of the file. Now it's running on localhost 5000. Let's try to access it through our local browser, localhost 5000. Now we got a very simple login page. So if we try some valid credentials, this is one of them, admin and admin123. Now username admin and admin123. I try to log in. I am logged in. I got the access. If I try to do something else, maybe like admin123 and some random password, so invalid credentials. Now as an hacker, we don't know the correct set of username and password. We just want to get access to the server. So what we'll do is we'll focus on the query. Let's copy paste this query and look at it in a separate file. Let's name it query.sql. Now this is our username and password which we can change. We can't change anything else. So let's focus on this part. So first of all, we need to vanish or make this apostrophe, single apostrophe, unusable. So what we'll do is we'll start with apostrophes. Okay, this is what we have started with. Okay, and after this we'll write or, like, then one double equals to, which just checks if both the values on the left and right hand side are equal or not. If it is, then it will give true. 1 equals to 1. Now this should give true. Okay, and what about this whole part? We don't need this. So what we'll do is we'll comment it. Now the correct way to comment in the SQL, in the structured query language, is by using double hyphen. Now you can see it is commented. So what our query, so what we'll put as our input is this part. Now let's try this again. Localhost 5000, our login page. This is our username. We can put password as anything. Okay, any random number of characters or numbers. Now we'll try to log in. Now you can see we got the access. Let's try if we try to do something else, like if we don't do this, if we don't put this first apostrophes and then try to log in, invalid credentials. Now how to fix this, we'll see it in the next video.